Cryptocurrencies have seen a roller coaster ride over the past decade, with meteoric rises, sudden crashes, and increasing mainstream adoption. As we step into 2025, you might wonder, is it too late to invest in crypto? The answer isn't straightforward, but here's a breakdown to help you make an informed decision. 1. The state of cryptocurrency in 2025. The crypto market has matured significantly. Regulatory clarity. Many governments now have clear policies, making crypto investment safer but more regulated. Institutional adoption. Big players, including banks and multinational corporations, continue integrating blockchain technologies into their operations. New innovations. Decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and Web3 have evolved, opening doors to fresh opportunities. Bitcoin remains the market leader, but Ethereum, Solana, and emerging blockchains compete in scalability and efficiency. Stablecoins also play a growing role in global finance, and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, have changed how people view digital assets. 2. Is it too late to enter the market? It's not too late, but timing and strategy matter. Cryptocurrencies are transitioning from a high-risk speculative phase to a more stable investment option. Volatility persists. Prices still fluctuate, but long-term investors focus on broader trends rather than daily swings. Growth potential remains. Blockchain adoption is expanding, and many experts believe the market has untapped potential. 3. Strategies for investing in 2025. If you're considering jumping into crypto, here's how to approach it. Start small. Only invest what you're prepared to lose. A small percentage of your portfolio, 5–10%, is often recommended. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one coin. Mix established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum with smaller, high-growth projects. Research thoroughly. Look into the utility, team, and community behind a coin before investing. Avoid hype-driven decisions. Long-term mindset. Day trading is risky. Instead, consider holding assets for years to benefit from broader market trends. 4. Risks to consider. Cryptocurrency investments still come with significant risks. Regulatory changes. Governments can introduce policies that impact crypto adoption or taxation. Market volatility. Prices can drop sharply due to market sentiment or macroeconomic factors. Security concerns. Always store your assets in secure wallets to avoid hacks or scams. 5. Future opportunities. The crypto space continues to evolve, creating new avenues for investment. Metaverse integration. Cryptos are increasingly tied to virtual worlds and gaming economies. Green blockchain projects. Eco-friendly cryptocurrencies and sustainable mining practices are gaining traction. DeFi platforms. Decentralized finance solutions offer alternatives to traditional banking. While crypto in 2025 isn't the Wild West it once was, it's far from over. The market remains dynamic, with opportunities for growth, especially for informed and strategic investors. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your portfolio, crypto can still play a role in achieving your financial goals.